Lovelies, this is the platform that first assured me there is money online, because this platform is beginner friendly. You don't need any amount of money. You don't need to make videos. You don't need to make write-ups. You don't need to go and look for ring light. No, this is a platform that I began with. It is very good for beginners. It is good for people who are at home, for children, for mothers. Anyone is very okay. When I joined this platform, it was amazing, because I remember the first time I think I withdrew like $10. Is it $10? Yeah, I'm looking for my phone to see how much I withdrew. By the way, the first time I withdrew something like $10. By then it was a hike. The minimum of money was a hike. The second time I withdrew around 5. Recently I withdrew 10. Now I've come to see that I even have already, there are some dollars there. $1 is there, like around 5 dirham for Uganda, and I brought the threshold down to 10 dirham. 10 dirham I think is like 3.6, something like that. So this is the platform I'm going to show you. I'm in my free time. Let me show you. I'm just in my free time. So I felt, let me share with you how I started with a proof by. So guys, this platform, you are going to use it at the comfort of your home. When you're enjoying your coffee, you're enjoying your tea, you're just there. You don't need to bother about my video is not coming well, I'm going to edit. No, you don't need that. So let's go and I show you this platform. This is my account right now. I don't know, by the I've switched off the light. There is no light because I wanted to watch a movie, so that's why I'm off. I don't have light on. So but you're going to bear with me. I'm not going to stand. I'm going to show you. So I was even praying this. I was making this money. That's why I said, let me share with you. You can look at this platform. I think you can see the name. This is my name, Christine Chokshaba. I don't always bring for you the things I don't use. No, this was my first platform. You can see I have $4.94 right now. Last week I didn't use it, so I didn't get any amount of money. Last withdraw I had $10, 10 dirham, that is around $3. So which platform is this? I know it is itching you, asking yourself which platform. This platform is called Paid Work. Paid Work was my first platform, that like the way I told you. So you go, I'll give you a link. You can write in the comment section if you want. I give you my link because if you join through my link, I'll also get some amount of money. When you withdraw, they will also give me some withdraw. So this is my dashboard. You can see it. If I want to start earning, I'll click here. This is what I did and what I used to do and what I'm doing right now. I'm watching a movie, as well as you can see the movie, as well as I'm doing money here. So this one is not about Facebook, YouTube, this no. You can see there are different ways of making money here. Every 1,000 points, you get 3.6 dirham. That is around 4,000 Ugandan shillings. So you can play games, you can fill out surveys, you can watch videos, you can do task. Microtask is very good. There is online shopping. Here you'll get points and they accumulate. You scan receipts. Now, this is what is very good for me. What is always easy for people. I always withdraw from this one. What is this? Yeah. This is it. You will earn this amount of money to this amount of money for watching a video. So I used to go and click here, or you can go and click there, then you start. Like now, you see this video is moving, you'll be earning. Guys, this platform is very simple. It is called Paid Work. Go there, search for Paid and download it. You can use it on your iPhone. It can also be used on Android. And don't forget, disclaimer, I'm not saying that you're going to go and get money to go and build a house of your dreams. No, this is for just like I'm relaxing, I get some mocktail, I can't fail to have money. This one is like, it helps you get it right. So you go there, look for Paid Work. Let me show you how it looks like. Paid Work is here. You can see how Paid Work looks like. It is here. paid work, and for 4 years, 5 years I've been using it and I earn from it. So it is like for beginners, to motivate you, for students. At least you find you shouldn't have data for nothing. And when you're there, like now I'm watching a movie, because when I'm watching a movie I'm not concentrating like to edit, so it means I'll be doing this. And how do I do this? This one, you only open it and pray. Like me, I'm praying videos, adverts. You're asking yourself, how do you get adverts? There are companies that put their projects there, their apps, for you to make views for them. So then for withdraw, you have to reach 10 dirham. 10 dirham is 10,000 of Ugandan shillings, and you add in your account. Adding in your account, you will select which type of payment do you want. By me, I always prefer bank. And now bank became more simple. It's not like before. Before it used to be very hard. Now it is very simple. It used to be PayPal, then from PayPal it goes to transfer to your bank. So why I kindly request you go and look for this. It is called what? Go and look for the so-called paid work. Paid work you'll earn in different ways. If you want to do surveys, if you want, it depends. Yeah, that's it.